Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to allow Facebook to access your contacts on your mobile phone. This feature helps Facebook find people you may know, making it easier to connect with friends, family, and colleagues already using the app. Whether you're setting up Facebook for the first time or you've previously disabled this setting, don't worry, we'll walk you through how to enable it again in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Go ahead and launch the Facebook app from your home screen or app drawer. In the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down and find options that says Device Permissions. In this menu, you will see several application permissions, such as Calendar, Camera, Contact, Location, Microphone, and others. In the Contact option, tap See Info. Select the Allowed menu at the bottom to allow access to contacts on the phone synchronized with Facebook, so that you can more easily connect and find friends from contacts who also use Facebook. Or the second way, you can close the Facebook application. Then tap and hold on the Facebook application. Then tap App Info. Then tap Permissions. Find and tap the Contact menu. Then click Allowed. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Facebook to access your phone's contacts. This makes it much easier to grow your network and find people you care about on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might need help, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.